If m cubed plus m squared is equal to 810, then find the value of m. Hello, welcome to our maths class. In my maths class today, we are going to find a solution to this Maths Olympiad mathematics question. But before we solve, kindly like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get the daily upload of our update of our videos once they are uploaded. Remember, subscription to this channel is very free, and you can also promote our channel through your subscription. Now let's solve this question. In solving this question, we are going to simplify 8 raised to power 10, 8 raised to power 810, and simplifying 8 raised to power 10 will have 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 and then times 5. This will give us 2 times 3 raised to power 4 times 5. 5 times 2 will give us 10, and 3 raised to power 4 will give us 81 times 10. We simplify this, we're going to have a 9 raised to power 2 multiplied by 10 will give us 9 plus 1. Now come to think about this multiplying everything here, this is 9 raised to power 1. We'll have 9 squared times 9 raised to power 1 will give us 9 raised to power 3 plus 9 squared times 1 will give us 9 squared. It is mathematical, so we can proceed with that. This will be equal to 810. So that means 9 cubed plus 9 squared can give us 810. So we're going to replace that in this equation. Now, if we replace that with this equation, we are going to have m cubed plus m squared to be equal to 9 cubed plus 9 squared. If we collect like terms, we're going to have m cubed minus 9 cubed, right, plus m squared minus 9 squared, and this will be equal to what? 0. Now we're going to apply the algebraic formula in solving this. Remember, we have two terms here. We'll have m cubed minus 9 cubed, and also we'll have m squared minus 9 squared. So applying an algebraic expression, we're going to apply this algebraic formula. In applying this algebraic formula, we're going to select 2. We're going to use this algebraic formula where a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b, and multiplied by a minus b. And we're going to use a cube. We're going to use a cube minus b cube, where a cube minus b cube will be equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b square. And remember, in this instance, a is equal to m and b is equal to 9. Now let's apply that to this equation in order to get a solution to this question. Now, if we apply that to this solution, we are going to have the first part. We'll have the first part is going to give us m minus 9 multiplied by, which is this, multiplied by m squared plus 9m plus 9 squared, and that will be plus the plus sign. Then we'll come to the negative part. We'll have m plus 9, and then we'll have m minus 9. Now look at these two parts. We'll have something common, and the two common parts is m minus 9. So we are going to bring out m minus 9. We'll bring out m minus 9. which is common, we're going to have the other parts of the equation to be m squared plus 9m plus 81, which is 9 squared, then plus m plus 9, right? Good. So we've simplified that. The next thing we're going to do is to simplify further. And for us to simplify further, we're going to collect like terms. This will give us m minus 9, and this will give us m squared. 9m plus m, that will give us plus 10m plus 81 plus 9. Now 81 plus 9 is going to give us 90. So we'll have m minus 9, and this will give us m squared plus 10m plus 90. So we'll have two distinct equations, this and what? This. Remember, we are looking for the value of m. So m minus 9 can be equal to 0 because all this is still equating to what? Is still equating to 0. So, and we'll have m squared plus 10m plus 90 to be equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. So our m here will be equal to 9, which is the first solution for the value of m. That's the first value we'll get for the value of m. Now to get the next value, we're going to simplify this quadratic equation. M squared plus 10m plus 90 equal to 0. Now to solve this quadratic equation, we're going to use the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula will have our m to be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2 what? A. Now to solve this, we will come to see that our a in this instance is equal to 1, our b is equal to 10, and our c is equal to what? 90. Now let's apply this value into the quadratic formula. We'll have our m to be equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 10 squared minus 4 times 1 times 90 all over 2 what? A. If we simplify this, we are going to have, remember, if we simplify this, we are going to have m to be equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 90 is going to give us 4 times 90 is going to give us 360. So we're going to have 360 all over 2a. Now if you simplify the numerator, you're going to find out that this will give us minus 10 plus or minus square root of, this is going to be a negative 260. Remember, because this is a negative 260, our m is going to be less than 0. And this is going to be an imaginary root. It's not going to be a real root. It's going to be an imaginary root because it is what? Negative. It's not a real root. So because it's not a real root, we're going to reject this solution. And then our only solution for this question is going to be the solution to solution is going to be m equal to what? 9. So if we have our solution will finally be what? M equal to 9. So our m now, our m will be equal to 9 because this is the only real solution to that equation that we were given above. The other solution are just imaginary solution or non-real solution. So the solution to our initial equation m raised to power 3 plus m raised to power square equal to 180, m will be equal to 9. You enjoyed this class, I want you to subscribe to this channel in order to get a subsequent video, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues.